Welcome to the healing power of nature, where we delve into the incredible benefits of plants revered for their healing properties. Today we shine a light on Holy Basil, often referred to as Tulsi, a sacred herb in traditional Indian medicine known for its powerful health benefits. This enchanting herb, with its fragrant aroma and lush green leaves, embodies a treasure trove of wellness benefits waiting to be explored. Holy basil is more than just an aromatic ingredient in your kitchen. It's a natural powerhouse renowned for its ability to reduce stress and promote a sense of calm. Imagine sipping a warm cup of Tulsi tea, its fragrant steam enveloping you, providing comfort and tranquility. Known to enhance immunity and support respiratory health, Holy Basil acts as a gentle guardian, protecting the body from various ailments while fostering holistic well-being. The antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties of Tulsi elevate it to the status of a true ally in maintaining health. Visualize it combating harmful bacteria and soothing inflammation, supporting your body as it strives for balance. Traditionally, Tulsi tea has been the go-to remedy for alleviating the discomfort of cold symptoms while also sharpening mental clarity. With every sip, you can almost feel the clarity washing over you, revitalizing your mind as the soothing warmth of the tea comforts your throat. As we dive deeper into the offerings of Holy Basil, we find it branching out into various forms. From tinctures that harness its essence to essential oils that infuse your surroundings with its uplifting aroma, Tulsi remains a steadfast companion in the quest for balance and wellness. It's often called the Queen of Herbs for its extensive range of uses and prominent role in holistic practices like Ayurveda, where it's cherished for its spiritual as well as physical benefits. Incorporating Holy Basil into your life can promote both mental and emotional harmony. Whether you choose to brew it as tea, apply it in tincture form, or use its essential oils, Tulsi invites you to experience the healing power of nature firsthand. As we conclude this journey into the world of Holy Basil, remember that it serves as a gentle reminder of nature's ability to nurture and heal. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening exploration. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to continue your journey with the healing power of nature.